oh, math is so hard. What are some easy ways to learn that, man? Hi, I'm Jimmy, and we're here to discuss that right now in terms of some easy strategies to help folks learn math. Now, one of the things to really think about is try to make it as fun and exciting as possible. I know that's a really hard thing to do sometimes, but sometimes you don't have to talk about math all the time. If you keep things loose in a fun environment, you can even talk about current events, pop culture, if you can find ways to relate some of that stuff to your math exercises and examples and applications later on, the students will make a better connection with what it is that they're studying, because the more a student can relate to something, the better they'll be able to learn. Now, things like CD sales, car depreciation, earthquake, loudness of things may not be the most pleasant thing to talk about in the world, but they can at least know, okay, this is how math is used. Now, another thing I recommend doing is to help make math fun and easy to learn is if you make it a gradual progression. Do not do the most difficult things at once, because unfortunately students will tend to build a wall on those ideas and they tend to give up rather quickly, unfortunately. But if you start out with the most basic of examples and then work step by step to going from one level to the next, then they'll understand, okay, this is how I approach the harder examples. And once they see that you go from the easiest examples, and then by the time you get to the most difficult examples, they'll know to go that extra mile. So there's quite a few other strategies, but there are some ways to get started. So I'm Jimmy, and here are some easy ways to learn mathematics.